Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can copy the link of your profile on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to copy the link of your profile on Instagram, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, next, I want you to go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And here on your Instagram profile, you will then be able to see the share profile option right here, which is where you can copy the link of your profile. Just go and tap it. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the copy link option right here, so just go and tap it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Instagram profile link will now be copied, so you can now paste it and share wherever you want. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.